Quick video how to download your live stream that you recently recorded on TikTok. By the way, before I show you how to do this, make sure that the stream is not over 30 days, because after 30 days it gets deleted. But if you've been wanting to know how to do this, you're going to go to this right here. So this is your TikTok profile. This is Mac OS, by the way, iOS. We're going to go live. Okay, when you go live, one thing that you're looking for here is these creator tools, and you're going to go into the live center. Be shown a screen that looks exactly like this. This is my screen, and it shows just some analytics, and here is my actual live stream that I did. So these are live recordings here, and what we want to do is go to this little arrow, and once you get to this little arrow, it's going to show you on the very top right there, there is the option to download your stream. Okay, it's pretty much that simple. Hope that's useful to you, and I'm going to make an update on this so it's relevant to the time. So this is a 2026 tutorial for TikTok on how to download your live streams.